Ready.
Look at this. There's water up in there. Look at this. Where do you want it? Right there, boy. We ought to go get a sledgehammer and just...
I know.
We're gonna put a hole through the other side so we can check everything in the...
Get a video of
Go
the
inside, get a video of the inside.
Alright.
Anytime I accidentally hit the window.
Just kick in.
Just kick it.
Yeah, we need the big guns.
Hey, fuck.
Home sweet home.
Hold on. I don't want to destroy nothing. Let you get a good video of it. Then all hell's gonna break loose.
There's a hole right there. Look at that.
The hole needs to be out that way.
You guys tired and want to take a nap?
There's a toilet in here somewhere.
Right there.
Right in here.
Like open it up. Like over here.
Oh, that is nasty.
Mmm.
Take a video.
I'm taking a video already. Open up the toilet.
You just gotta make sure everything goes in the fire pit.
Yeah.
Got ourselves a nice little vent. Oh, look at that beautiful kitchen. Here.
One hole.
What is this? Want some spices? Probably from the 70s. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh, that's nasty. Look what's in there.
That's probably a rat nest.
Oh, look at this cupboard, Isaac. How beautiful. It's even got the freaking...
For sale sign in there.
What?
Right in there.
Somebody's trying to sell it. Ooh, damn.
I'm getting it separated.
Oh, we got ourselves a fridge, Isaac. Ooh, that's it.
Shut that.
Let's get a good hole going.
Yeah.
Hey, Isaac, I found your sleeping quarters.
Where?
Open up the cab. See him?
Yeah, I saw it.
You get a video of it?
Yeah. Hey, Bert, get out of there.
Chris, I'm gonna make a hole.
Fire in the hole! Bring it to home. There it is! My house! My house! Yeah.
Oh, that's it.
He's losing control of it.
That's good enough.
Back into our house.
Looks like a hurricane hit it.
Hurricane John.
Holy Jesus. Holy Jesus.
Somebody wanted to roll us.
Let's kick this door out of the way. Come on, are you coming in or staying out for a minute?
I'll say,
Yeah. Just recorded.
I don't know why it's so bent up.
No.
somebody tried to roll us and push us.
The black people got to us.
I told you you shouldn't have left the water on in there.
We're just gonna collapse on us. Now that's how you remodel.
Pull it.
Yeah.
Look at all the water.
I know.
I know it was pouring down while we were moving it.
Hey, there's a pillow.
Pillow. Somebody take the water.
There's a water tank.
My pillow pet.
I think the whole thing's a water tank. Got ourselves some rats.
Where?
That's anyway. What's up in here? Nothing good.
That's a rat nest, buddy. I can tell you that already.
Oh, yeah.
Want some silverware?
Oh, buddy.
Rat nest was in there. Like this. Hey, my medication. I have made mess in trousers. Here.
You're evicted.
Watch
That's
out.
one payment.
Here it is, Isaac.
Huh.
There's a cup still
You've
hanging.
been evicted.
Get that lonely cup up there, all by itself still.
Look at that, Bert.
What?
That lonely cup.
Did you see this?
All by itself
Oh,
still.
buddy.
Bring it to hell. Table come through. Nerd.
Hey, there's good scratch right there.
Hey, this looks like Terry's house now. It's hacked.
8-track player. Look at this. It's not even electric. It's a push.
What?
It's a push 8-track player. Look.
For what?
They're old. I don't know how to use it. You want?
Wonder if that works.
I don't know.
Is it an 8-track? Look at that, you're green grass for the fucking...
Old house.
Aww. Aww.
Still good. I wonder if it does still work. Keep that
Whole
thought.
thing of Clorox.
And,
This is some freaking fancy secret here.
What's this? Hand cleaner.
we might need
Lemon
this.
hand cleaner. Oh,
Aww.
I got excited.
I made mess in trousers.
The stove's coming out.
Holy crap. Holy Jesus. Ugh.
See if we can kick this thing down. There's the toilet.
It's junk now.
Hey, that's a shower toilet. Whoa. Isaac. More shower.
Sure. Yeah.
Next is the fridge.
First the wall's coming down. Thanks you guys for helping me remodel the place. I couldn't do it myself. You know. I'll give you $20 to drink that water.
Macaroni! Eat that shit.
How do you get peristalsis? Hey, fishing stuff.
Anything good?
A ball, but
Yeah. Let me look. Campground, 1990. It's like brand new. Matches.
and rat poop.
One star steps up.
Ah.
Freezer. Lines up, bathroom switch off. What is this?
Home is where the heart is.
Ah!
Holy Jesus!
Isaac. Here you go. You always said you are.
Trailer for sale. Two. I ain't got any cigarettes.
Pick it up. That's why I was trying to kick a hole through the wall.
Hold on, guys. I'm gonna take a shower real fast. I'll crap my door, I guess. It's gonna be a prison shower. Wow, guys, look brand new. We can hang up our jackets.
This might leak when I hang this off. This starts leaking, don't breathe it in.
Is it leaking?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm all better now. Ah! Had to take a break from the smash. That's nasty.
Fridge is gone.
Let's get the back of this.
Should we do some more with the backhoe?
Hold on, let's get everything we can.
I'll do some more once we get the backhoe.
Alright, let's go.
Pots and pans!
The best!
Oh,
Brian.
let me get an easy access. Now you can reach them.
Hey, we can brew some tea.
Beans, hot dogs, beans, macaroni, more beans, hot dogs,
Tea.
ah! That's it.
Oh, Bessie.
Hey, that was my hat.
Hold on, I'll be right back. I gotta go in the bathroom. I'll only be a minute.
Surprised he didn't bring the sink with him.
AC!
Rip it down through the sink.
Be real careful. Told you, you gotta be real careful like with it.
God damn it.
We're in the general line.
Yeah, it won't be coming.
Huh?
It won't be coming. Yay! Portable toilet. Oh, crap.
Look out!
Oh, she's coming. Hey, my cable.
Hey, hang your clothes up. Would you?
Kick that. There she goes.
Not stuck on that. Oh, you fucker. What's it stuck on?
Nothing now.
Let's clear this back half off. It's getting in the way. Fire old back seat up.
Oh, look at all that water leaking out.
That's a water tank there.
Yeah, I know. The first victim. And first and last. Until now. Rip the spare tire off. He means business.
Oh, he's putting the landing gear down now.
Baseball. Look at all the bugs. Look at all the bugs flying at AC.
What's wrong? Told them not to mess with us.
Yeah. Baseball. This is sort of a little come Twinkle Toe concert down here. We just saw his own devil American flag. Nah, it's not.
That's an awning.
I know.
I didn't even know it had an awning, did you?
Nope. Look at the bed.
Huh?
Look at the front.
Look at the bed. Look at that poor little seat.
Can't wait to start the fire.
I know. We ain't starting it today.
Why?
It's too dry.
It'd be okay. Don't water it.
No, Paul's gonna split it. Paul's gonna have something to do. A what?
What?
Yeah.
Holy shit, let's see what else is in it. What's in this gray one? Alright. Yeah, we want that.
A gift from the Lord. Hey Bert, take that off with the thing.
Here, throw that shit right there.
Take that jack and take off the spare tire. Or else you
I
just
already
go.
popped the tire.
I know, but throw it in the fire. Flash on.
You popped it.
Oh,
Yeah.
man. So that's a safety flare. What's in that?
Brand new fucking. Keep that tin cap and razor for this thing.
Oh!
You gotta keep these two, they're old fat.
What else we got up here?
Belts.
Might want to keep those, I was going to say. They dry rotted off? Work boots. Keep them. Oh, yeah. Whoop, whoop. Another tire iron.
Hey, Bert, open this up. Bert, open this up. Just open it. Pull out the lid. What happened to you?
When I slammed up that AC, I cut my wrist. Just surface. What is that? Hey, we gotta pull
Truck and van. Hey, we got some paint.
We gotta pull that off by hand because I don't want to hurt the cab. Oh, that's white. We can use that. Save it. We don't want to paint it yet.
Yeah. What happened to the front door and everything, guys? My home. Oh. Oh, Bert, you looked at the mirror again.
Hey, let me get that step off. I need you guys to watch me while I do the talk. I just want to clean my head.
Break the broom in half.
Clean the house.
Let's break it.
Hey, you're gonna have to watch for the gas tank because I don't want to hit that. It's right here. Right here.
Red Martin's gone.
Holy Jesus.
Crap, don't set that jack like that. That's an 8-ton jack.
Huh.
Did you see that?
Yeah.